Yep.
Awesome. Notice how you smash it? Run, 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 smash. Now spin your fingers. Half turn. Good try. Jump and spin. Good. Go try it again. See if you can do it faster. On your mark, get set, go! Fast. You do. Go. Big spin. Not bad. One jump in the air. Come on, girlie. Let's go. Hi-ya. Not bad. Lay it on your feet and then do a ta-da. Might be what you get when you have a 4-year-old trying to jump half turn. So you might have to grab them and say, jump and spin. Okay, over here. Let's try this trick. Quick, quick, quick. Can you sit on your bum and do a backward roll for me? Put your hands on your shoulders. Look down on your tummy. On your mark, get set, go. Flip it over, stand up on your feet. Put your feet down. There's your face on the mat. Arms up, ta-da! Hey, look, you get to go try to do it by yourself. Go. On your mark, get set, go. Can you make it? Atta girl, all the way over. Woo! Arms up, ta-da! You made it. You gotta land on your feet though. Good. Come on over here, Miss Bear. We're going backwards like this. Rawr. Come on. I know they're kind of uneven, but you can start where they're even. Look at your mama. She's filming. Can you see your mommy? Look at mommy. Say, roar. Okay, when you get up here, we're going to do backwards on this balance beam. A lot of backwards today. Backward rolls, backward bear calls, trying to jump and turn around backwards. Backwards. The whole time you can watch mama. Nope. Are you peeking? Can you find it with your foot? Find the end. Almost. Use your foot. Feel. Did you find it? Almost. Good. Go do it one more time. Big jump. Over here. Quick, quick, quick. Jump and spin. Your turn. Yeah, jump. Jump, girl. Nice. Much better. All right. That's what we're shooting for at this station this week. A lot of backwards.